Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and today we are going to ride a train going to Kuala Lumpur since we are here in Sungai Buloh, Selangor. So we are not going to drive to Kuala Lumpur. Instead, we take or ride a train. So here we see the map, see which route we have to buy the ticket and which route we have to stop. And since this is my second time, so I just follow my tour guide. So here, as you can see here, nobody, no people, only us here. It's very quiet. It is Sunday, but I don't know why there's no people, or maybe we are too early. So here is the parking area. We have the spacious parking area here, but nobody park it. So here we are here in Plaza Damansara, which is the end of the train station. You can change your train here going anywhere. So since we are waiting our train to come by, please do take note that here in Malaysia, the driver is on the right side. So that means we are going to Kuala Lumpur and then we going to the left side, which is the platform 2. So actually, I'm very confused which platform I'm going to take the train or whatsoever. But just remember that Malaysia is on the right side of the driver is on the right side, so when you're going somewhere you have to take the left side. The lane is on the left side, I mean. So here it's come our train. Only one person inside, so three of us and a train. It's really quiet, but because this is a in Philippines we call it a province, so the train is what we call that, like the underpass up. Unlike in the city that the lane of the train is underground, you cannot see anything. So here I show you outside. Here, this is my tour guide. He will be showing me around. See, this is the next station and still nobody coming in. Still three of us. So here it goes. Now only I realized that the train have no drivers. I was so you can see the views outside. It's really very high on the ground. When I'm driving on the road, I always saw this train passing by above us. So here, this one is the newly built in LRT. We call LRT here. So if we change our train going to Kuala Lumpur, we have to take the KTM. We call KTM the old type. This one is the new type. So this road they just open. So you can see the decathlon. I got take photo of this decathlon inside. I have video about the decathlon. Here another station. This one is the Mansara Barat. But I think still no one is coming. Yeah, this is the road which I always pass daily going to work. So you can see it's very far if I ride a train going to work. Not on the same road at all. I'm not living in the city like in Kuala Lumpur or in other parts of Malaysia, but we can access easily to Kuala Lumpur by driving or taking ride from the train or taking taxis. But here you can what we call that, you have to book the grab. There's no taxi stand here. Only you can see taxi stands on the train station, I think. But in other or on the road, you cannot see taxi stands. You can take a bus too, but if you ask me to take a bus going to Kuala Lumpur, I'm going to lost. I don't know how to take bus going to Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, it is Sunday, so not much traffic. Not so traffic. We're approaching the next station, which we can change our train going to Kuala Lumpur. So, welcome aboard! This train, I don't know where it's going, but this one is here in platform 1, so I don't know which road is going. We'll just go down to buy our ticket and we're going to the platform 2. Yes, bye-bye. And okay, we take the escalator to going up. And just now we ride this train, but I think not this train already. Yeah, this is the train. We stopped here a while ago and we go down and take another train. So we're waiting our train here. Wait every 10 minutes. So here it comes. Yes, this is the train that going to Kuala Lumpur. But we are not going to the Kuala Lumpur, straight to the Kuala Lumpur, but we are going to stop at the museum and we walk going to the KL Central. Yeah, so now we are in KL Central. This is the main train station in Kuala Lumpur that you can change your train wherever you go. You can go here, come here. So if holidays, this area is full of people, or even on weekdays because some of the workers taking a train go to work. Here we call KTM commuter. KTM. KTM, I don't know what's the meaning actually. See here, yes. So before we going to KLCC, we coming here to have a look or just a walk on the supermarket or whatsoever. Yes, this is the outside of KL Central, which all the taxi or drivers drop their passenger to take the train. And now let's take our train going to KLCC. So, as you know, I don't have videos outside Kuala Lumpur because the train is all underground. So, I hope you enjoy the video. And if any question or queries, you are all welcome to comment on the comment section below. And I try my best to give you an answer. And here's our train. See you in KLCC. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you so much.